The Supreme Court on Friday heard the case of migrant laborers. The court told the central and state governments that we want to give you 15 days of time so that you can take all the migrant laborers trapped in the country to their homes. The court also asked the states to make necessary arrangements for the workers who are coming back. The apex court will issue orders on 9th June on migrant laborers. During the hearing, the center told the court that till June 3rd, 4,200 laborers special trains were run to take the migrant laborers to their homes. About 1 crore people have been transported to their original place of residence. At the same time, the court has asked the center to file a reply in a week regarding the highest limit of fees for treatment of coronavirus in private hospitals. In a move to tighten the spending triggered by the coronavirus pandemic's impact on the economy, the Finance Ministry on Friday suspended all the new schemes till the end of March next year. Only schemes announced under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan and Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana will be initiated and continued. No other scheme would be approved this financial year, said the ministry. Schemes already approved under the budget will also stay suspended till March 31. All ministries have been told to stop sending requests for new schemes to the Finance Ministry. It may be appreciated that in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, there is unprecedented demand on public financial resources and a need to use resources prudently in accordance with emerging and changing priorities, a Finance Ministry note said. The note also said any exception to these new rules would need to be approved by the Department of Expenditure. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Friday said that political strategist Prashant Kishore has not gone in touch with cricketer turned politician and former minister Navjot Singh Sidhu over his joining the Aam Aadmi Party. Singh's remarks came a day after Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal made it clear that he would be happy to have 56-year-old Sidhu in his team. On Kejriwal welcoming Sidhu to his party, Amrinder Singh said that Kejriwal deliberately gives out such statements and Sidhu is a part of Congress. If he has any issues, he is welcome to come and address them with me. Senior Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge has secured a Rajya Sabha poll ticket and after being officially announced as his party's candidate from Karnataka on Friday. The former union minister was in the race along with present Karnataka Congress Rajya Sabha members Dr. Rajiv Gowda and B.K. Hariprasad. However, Kharge, who is known as a close associate of party interim president Sonia Gandhi, managed to beat the others. Also, during a legislature party meeting of Janata Dal Secular, its leaders expressed their strong appeal that former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda should stand in the election. After the meeting, his son and former Chief Minister of Karnataka, H.D. Kumaraswamy, said that we have unanimously decided that H.D. Deve Gowda should contest the Rajya Sabha polls. The pregnant wild elephant which met with a gory end in Kerala had major wounds in its oral cavity, most likely following an explosive blast due to which she could not eat for nearly 2 weeks, leading to her collapse in a river and drowning, according to a post-mortem report. The major and incapacitating wounds and injuries in oral cavity caused localized sepsis and have most likely occurred following an explosive blast in the mouth. This has resulted in excruciating pain and distress in the region and prevented the animal from taking food and water for nearly 2 weeks. Severe debility and weakness in turn resulted in the final collapse in water that led to drowning. Today, one arrest has also been made in the case and several suspects are also being questioned by the Kerala police.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS. Search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.